Hey guys, I'm playing this. What is just this game? Hey guys, I'm playing number nuts. What lap should I go? Just wait and see. Don't leave, guys. I have a secret. Wait. Did you know that there's a glitch in here? Guys, there's a glitch in here. There's a secret room in here. A glitch. Just see this. Did you see that? If you see that, just jump over this and run over into this. This is a glitch. You have to try this one. Because this is a glitch. This is. So guys, this is my glitch. The first video. This is my glitch. You have to try this one. This is just a glitch. You have to try this one. This is a glitch, guys. Just go and try here. It's a glitch. Now you can not go in there. Just in here. If your jump is 12, just go. Now you can try this. Just please like and subscribe to my video. And please support me. This is a glitch, guys. Until I get in there. This is the best day ever in my life. Just please like and subscribe. Support me, guys, because I found a secret way. Oh, then the secret Bernard has found, and I have to get that one quickly. Oh, got to. Okay. Now I died. So please support me in this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.